to use kayak filter. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to use kayak filter. So you first perform a general search, then use the option on the left hand side bar. What you want to do is open up kayak on your device and you do a general search. So whether it's a flight, stay, or whatever it is, then you want to click on the search button, right? And you want to select the date, all that stuff, click on apply and click on the search button. Now kayak will display a list of initial result, often sorted by best option, balance of price and speed as well. Now what you want to do is, here you just want to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon, and then you could go ahead and click on the filter button. So here you should be able to locate the filter option. You just want to go ahead and filter it out by date, time and range, all that stuff. So what you want to do is, to filter, you could just toggle the button for it, and this way you'll have filter it out, or this way you'll have use kayak filter. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.